Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to solve majority element, and this is the day 2 of my productive series. So this is the difficulty this is medium level problem. So let's try this one. Given an array, find the majority element in the array. If no majority element exists, return -1. Okay, so a majority element in an array is an element that appears strictly more than. Okay, fine. So we need to return the element that is strictly more than size of half of the size of array. These are the input constraints, and these are the inputs, and the constraints are 10 power 5. Okay, let's do the problem. So in normally we have a data structure called hash map. With that hash map we can track the frequency of the numbers here itself. So I would like to initialize hash map, and the types are integer, hm equal to new hash map. These are key value pairs, and both our key value pairs are in integer type only. So integer, and first of all we have one base condition here. See, if the array dot size is, if the array's length is 1, means we can return that element itself. So we can write it here itself. So array dot length, if it is equal to 1, we can return the array index 0. Right now I would like to iterate the array dot length, iterate to array I plus plus, and here I just want to put the array elements here. Array of I comma hm dot get or default array of I comma 0 plus 1. Basically what I am doing here is hash map stores the elements in key value pairs. So key means the elements 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 5. So elements will be stored, and this is used to count the frequency. So if the element is already present in the hash map, it will add the frequency as +1 to it. So this is the importance of the line. And the next one, I am looping through another loop, for loop, array dot length I plus plus, and here in the hash map, if let's say here I am taking int k equal to array dot length divided by 2, because in the problem statement they are asking to find the element which appears strictly more than array dot length by 2, right? Half of the array dot length. So here I am initializing it as k. If my hm dot get array of I is strictly more than k, if that element is strictly more than k, we have to return that array. Here we can give the return statement, and we also have this statement. If there are no majority elements, we need to simply return the -1. So at last we can return the -1. Let's compile and run. Okay, here we got error. Okay, there is syntax error. D should be capital in get or default, and here I didn't write array. Let's do now. Okay, our case is passed, and now I'm going to submit the code. Let's see. Okay, it passed. So here we have, what I have done means I just used hash map to store the frequencies of array elements. and from there I'm counting the element which is strictly more than k times, that I am returning that one. And if the element is not present means I'm just simply returning -1. Let's see the expected complexities. Okay, time complexity is order of n, auxiliary space is order of 1, but we are using space, right? Here hash map, we are using hash map. So here auxiliary space means order of n. That means we need to optimize the auxiliary space. What we can do then? I can simply write, I need to optimize the space now. For this we can iterate through loops, right? Array searching data structures, okay. Topic tags. So let's do with by looping itself. So I need to iterate through each element, right? For this let's sort the array, arrays dot sort array. So our array will be in sorted, our elements will be in sorted in ascending order. Now let's use for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than array dot length I plus plus. So here if let's initialize another variable called count. Int count equal to 0. No, it should be 1. We have to start from 1 in, we can start from 1 index, right? If count, yes. So basically the count should be 1, right? Here int I equal to 1. No, 1, let's give it 0. From 0th index count will be in, count is 1 only. Oh my god, I'm so confused now. Let's see. So basically array will be in sorted array. Our array is sorted and the count is 1. So basically we need to do array of I is equal to, if array of I is equal to array of I plus 1, then you should increment the count value, right? We are checking the count, we are checking the frequency of the elements, else the count should be normally, there is no updation in count. And if our count is equal to k, not equal to, they mentioned strictly more than k, right? If our count is strictly more than k, we just have to return the array of I, the element which frequency is strictly greater than k. Let's solve the problem, let's compile. Okay, it worked. Now I'm going to submit the code. Index out of bound. Okay, sorry. Here I need to mention -1. Let's see. Okay, it passed. I really don't have any idea. Like, I just tried it. But, okay, fine. So, in this one, I didn't use any space, any auxiliary space. What I have done in this code, in this one, is like just looping. I just sorted the array and I just checked the other elements. If the other elements are equal means just count it. How many, how much the frequency that it holds. And if it is not equal means just don't update the count. If the count is strictly greater than the half of the length of array means just return it. Okay, that's it. So this is the optimized approach for auxiliary space. If you find anything mistake in my code or anything mistake in my approach, or else if you feel like you can do this problem in any other way, in any other approach means, please feel free to comment. And this series is not about sharing my knowledge, I am just learning, and this series is only for to be consistency, and I just want to improve my coding skills. So if you like this video, please like it, and please feel free to comment, and I am happy for learning, and I am open for learning. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.